This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your PayPal number. First, log into your PayPal account using a web browser, not the mobile app, for full functionality. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is typically found by clicking the gear icon or your profile name. We will then proceed to locate the phone numbers section to manage your registered numbers. Once you are on the settings page, look for the phone section. It is usually listed under Account or Personal Info. Here, you will see all the phone numbers currently associated with your PayPal account. Identify the specific number you wish to remove. Remember, PayPal often requires at least one phone number for security and verification purposes, so be prepared to add a new one if you are removing your only number. To remove a number, simply click the Remove button located next to the phone number you want to delete. PayPal will then ask you to confirm this action. If the number you are removing is your primary contact, you will be prompted to select another existing number as primary or to add a new one. This step is crucial for maintaining account security and access. After successfully removing your phone number, always double-check your profile to ensure the changes have been applied correctly. It is highly recommended to always have at least one active phone number linked to your PayPal account for two-factor authentication and account recovery. This helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Regularly review your security settings for optimal protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.